Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Love Nails Nicole, and today I am back with some nail mail. I ordered a few days ago. I haven't gotten nail mail in a long time, so I was pretty excited to get this. I ordered it from Sheba Nails because they're closed down due to the COVID-19, and they're only doing online orders, and if you live in an area, they're doing curbside pickup too, supposedly. But anyways, I was checking my email a few days ago and noticed that they had an amazing sale going on. Like, the stuff is like clearanced really, really good, really, really low. And I couldn't pass up getting a few things, so I ordered a few things. A little tiny package. Yep. Yeah, so, oh my god, I'm gonna have to rip into it because I can't figure out no other way to get it open. Yay! I'm excited. Yay! I'm gonna turn the camera around, show y'all what I got. My nail mail is from Sheba Nails. And yeah, they had a really good sale going on that I could not pass up. Like, really good sale. I'm hoping that there is a price list in here because I can't remember the prices of everything. So, doesn't look like it. Yeah, just some popcorn stuffing paper. I'll try to give you guys a guesstimate of what the stuff cost. So, I feel like I'm missing one of these. Oh, okay. So, I have, I got another acrylic liquid monomer. This is the, what ounce is this? 1 ounce size, and I believe this was $3. I think about $3. I don't know if I have my light on. And then I got some of the, let's make it focus, the self-leveling acrylic powder in clear, and this is 2 ounces. And this was, I think, only $3 to $4. And you can see it's a good size, like, compared to, this is the smaller size. This is just a nude pink, but this is the size I usually get, so you can see the difference. These are usually, I think, $10 plus. And like I say, I got it for, like, anywhere from 3 and some change to 4 and some change. Really good price. It's a nice size, so I'm really happy about that. I needed this clear. It was running low. They had their nail tips. You can get a pack of a 20 count pack of the clear nail tips, which I like. I have and these, so they sell like the refills for these, but and they come like in a package like this. So this time they weren't selling just refills. You just get like a 20 nails in it. So I'm gonna size them out and put them in here because I was running out of some numbers. This fell, so they're all out of place right now, but I was running low on some of the numbers I used the most. So I went ahead and ordered this. So you get a 20 count pack for $1 and some change, and it was buy one get one free. So you buy one 20 pack and you get one free. So I ordered 2 packs and got 2 free. So I got a total of 4 packs. And I said, like I said, 1 pack of 20 was like $1 and some change. So that was a really good deal. So I got a total of 80 nail tips for about $3 or so, you know, 3 and some change. So that was a real good price. glue. Oh, I forgot I didn't order. Well, I like these a lot better than I do. I'm out of the other glue, but I love these. They're skinny container glue. So they were just 84 cents a piece. They're usually like a dollar, not $1.50 maybe. So they were 84 cents, I believe, a piece. And this is their quick dry surgical glue. It's really, really good. So this is one I had open already. This is what it looks like. It's blurry. So yeah, so I got 3 of those. So I have enough glue to hold me, because I was just like worried that I don't know if they're going on sale. I don't know if they're trying to sell everything so they can close while this is going on, or if they're going to stay open or whatever. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough glue, because I really like theirs. And then I had to get me some of their 60-second top coat, because the one I have, where is it, is running low. As you can see, it's about to right here. So this is how their other one, the in-store one, looks. This is their online, and it's really good, and it's 5 free. So that's awesome. This was how much was this? I think this was $4. I think it was only like a few cents off or something. I think it was $4. So I grabbed that. I got a 10-pack sanding bands in fine, a 10 count, I mean, not 10 pack, in fine. And then I also got another pack of 10, and these are in coarse. So I think the last ones I got, let me see. Yeah, medium. So I now have fine, medium, and coarse 10 packs. And these were, I think they're usually $1.99. I think they were like $1.30 or something like that for each pack. So this is everything that I ordered. I think it came to about 20 something bucks, not including the tax and the shipping. It was about 20, I don't know, 20 something. With the tax and the shipping, I think it came to about 33 or something like that. And then it looks like they gave me a free sample. It says, enjoy your free sample. Thank you for your business. www.shivanails.com. They also have an 800 number on here. Oh, and this is actually what I meant to order. So I'm glad they sent this. This is their non-acid nail primer. And I was actually going to order this. So I'm really happy they sent it, because I wanted to try this out. And yeah, that's my little mini nail mail order that I wanted to just share with you guys. Some new things that I got. I cannot wait to use them. And I'm going to be redoing my nails soon. You guys, I just had posted a video of me doing my double holographic nails. So I'll be changing these up soon. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.